What up, DECA dudes? We're here on the plane ride to ICDC for DECA. We got Garrett, Ty, Zach, Brandon, Ryan, Jenna, Meadow, Rachel. Whoever's next to Rachel. I don't know her. And then, so...
Oh no, that angle's doing you so dirty.
So, this is Jenna's vlog. She told me to start it off. I didn't know what to do. Your new name is DECA Dudes. Going to Universal tomorrow. Jenna's probably gonna see you when we get to the hotel. See you later, guys.
Alright, we're here, we're back. Thanks for that intro, Gino. So now we're on the plane, we're experiencing some turbulence. Everyone's holding their drinks. Bova didn't realize that you couldn't use data, so he is currently finishing his word search.
And I'm listening to Pineapple Express from Gino's phone.
Yeah, so we learned this lesson, but we're almost an hour into the flight. Almost there.
Is this how I do it?
Yeah. How are they? What flavor you got there? We're not sponsored, but
My favorite.
what do you think? Gotta get that bag.
Got some Doritos in the bag, dude. Never lacking in them.
Alright, so this is the most turbulence I've ever experienced on a flight.
Yeah, I've only flown once, so I don't really understand turbulence and how often it happens, but this is a lot in my book. Oh my god.
Yeah, I fly pretty frequently, and this we've been knocked to the side. We're all good though.
The flight attendants are...
You can't see that on the vlog. Okay, so we finally made it in Orlando for DECA Internationals after some extreme turbulence. But we're here. We got Bova with some new music hopefully coming out. The juices were flowing
some flight
here.
bars.
So we'll keep you posted. Right now we got here a little early, so we have to wait to go to the gate, but we're on our way now. So it'll be good. We're excited to be here. We're at the hotel. Look at the elevator. We're so excited, right? Woo, we're in Orlando. And we're heading to our room right now. Let's see. Whatever 623 is. Oh my god, guys, this is big. Come on in. Thanks.
Jenna, we can have the bed closest to the window.
Oh yeah. Wow, look at this. Mock is gonna be happy. This is so cool, guys. Alright, and we're not too high up. Alright, we're here at Universal Studios. It's raining. We just tried to go on a roller coaster. It looked nice, but it's wet. So we're in Transformers. Have you been on it, Ty? Are you excited?
Can't wait.
It's gonna be good. We'll let you know how it is, right, Bo?
So far, I'm not happy. I had to pay $2 for a locker that I didn't even get to use, and I lost my rain poncho. Bad day so far.
And you lost this water bottle earlier underneath the bus. So,
I'm losing everything.
it's gonna be a great day, even though it's raining. It's gonna be
Transformers ride. As a roller coaster, I'm gonna give it a solid 7.5 out of 10, due to the fact that it didn't have much up and down. It was more of a movie type roller coaster, but it was really cool. Always had 3D stuff coming at you. They sprayed water on us. I was ducking everything, you know. We saved the planet. It was a real good time, I'll tell you that. A 7.5 out of 10 on a roller coaster scale, but I would do it again every time.
Ty, what'd you think of it?
Awesome. 9.2.
9.2, okay.
9.2.
ready for this one? Ride number 2.
I am so ready. This is gonna be fantastic.
It's gonna be good. First one was all right. We're gonna see how this is. Let's go. So the queue is pretty cool, right? We're first timers to the Fast and Furious franchise.
I love this franchise.
Yeah.
I love
It's gonna be good.
Yeah, I love it.
Yeah,
It's gonna be
she's
good.
getting me pumped.
I'm excited. Yay, yay.
It's gonna be good. All right, so we're here. One of the biggest, what is it, Fast and Furious fans. What do you think of the ride?
It's kind of a letdown, honestly. It wasn't as good as I thought it was gonna be.
We're not going the right way.
But still kind of enjoyable, so.
I'm gonna be a bit more ruthless. I'm gonna say whack with a capital W. It was like 2 minutes long, and a little tip for Universal Studios: the stuff coming out of you gets a little old.
Yeah. That was cool though, to experience that though, but like it was a little
I agree. I
overkill.
thought it was pretty cool and action-packed, but it was really short. Like, it was just
Yeah.
getting going and then we stopped.
Yeah.
So. Okay, so we finally found Harry Potter. Miss Mock is very excited.
Yay!
So we're gonna go in now.
Woo, Harry!
Everything's not clearly marked, but we finally found it. Here we are.
I want pumpkin beer, pumpkin juice.
There's some good ride, like some way in here.
Where are we?
We are in Ollivander's store in, I don't know, the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. Is that
What are you gonna get? What are you gonna get?
I'm looking for a wand today, actually. I'm seeing everybody with these wands that they play around and then water comes from something. I kind of want to do that, so maybe I might get myself a wand.
It's gonna be a wizard. Okay, so we're gonna go through this tunnel so they can get their wands. Let's see this. So when you go into your wand, before you can go into the actual store, they do a little show where they pick a little kid, and that part's really cool. And then you go in to find out that all the wands are $52 after you sat through that like 5-minute performance. So.
And all they're doing with that performance is just trying to get you to buy wands, like actually acting like they're magic. Like, dude, you're gonna sell me $50 a stick? Are you kidding me? It's ridiculous.
So Zach, where are we eating tonight?
We're at the Hard Rock Cafe.
That's right. You excited? Time to grub.